this EBAT 15 dehumidifier. It's not collecting water. Let's see. No water. Compressor's problem or something else. Switch on. The van's working. Yep, the compressor's on. Maybe it's leaking here, or maybe just slow leak for so many years. I got this machine for over 5 years now. Let me put some gas to the compressor. First, I need this piston device, piston valve, off adapter, secure it. Let's see what gas. That's 1348 gas, 100 gram. A gas valve with meter. Connect the pi. 1348 gas. Before we connect it together, make sure the pin all the way up. Let's get this air in the pipe out of the system. Start the machine. Okay, let's make a hole to the pipe. Slowly release. You can see is low, is in the green area. There's no gas. Let's put some gas to the system. Just do it slowly. Okay, no rush, just take your time. Burst the gas one at a time. This pipe is getting warm, and this pipe is getting cold. The gas for my dehumidifier should be close to about 35 psi. Put your hand here. It's wet. It's coming down now. Okay. Close the valve. Disconnect the pipe. Put back the cap.